Good evening. In this session, we are going to discuss regarding KAVACH. What exactly is this? It has been mentioned by the Finance Minister of India while presenting the budget for the year 22 and 23. If you look at India, India is one of the countries in the world with a huge railway network, and obviously large number of accidents will also take place. Of course, the technology is coming into picture, and that is really helpful in reducing and our reduction of the number of accidents and number of fatalities. But still a lot has to be done. That is the reason why India indigenously developed a technology called KAVACH. This is the anti-collision device. This is anti-collision device, and with this particular KAVACH, you will have a probability. You will have a probability of just one, just one error in 10,000 years. Just one error in 10,000 years. That will be really a big boost. And for this time, 2,000 kilometers of railway network is brought under this one, and slowly that is going to be expanded throughout the country. And the most important thing is that this is as a part of our Atma Nirbhar Bharat, self-reliant India. And as far as KAVACH is concerned, anti-collision device ACD, this is indigenously developed device, indigenously developed technology. And also remember, in budget, the allocations will be there for various ministries. With respect to the railway ministry, this time 1.4 lakh crores, 1.4 lakh crores have been allocated for railways. And please remember this one, and I'm mentioning about the year 22 and 23, and this amount is 20,000 crores more than the revised estimates of the current financial year. Now I would like to show you the points that are related to KAVACH. Kindly have a look at this. Here it is. KAVACH is an indigenously developed anti-collision technology that brings the probability of a just single error in 10,000 years. Very, very, very wonderful one. Please remember, for your information, the current Minister for Railways is Ashwini Vaishnav. Kindly remember the name, and whenever the minister changes, right, there is a reshuffling of the ministries will take place. During the time, the minister for railways may change. During that time, you need to update yourself. But currently, Ashwini Vaishnav is the minister for railways. And the new safety and capacity augmentation technology, it has been announced during this budget. This is an ACD network. It is made in India technology that is designed to help Indian Railways achieve the goal of zero accidents. Such a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful one. And most important thing is that this is our own indigenously developed technology, right? And look at this. This implementation, meaning KAVACH implementation, will bring train movement to a halt. So automatically the train will be halted when it notices that another train on the same line with a prescribed distance. So many times we read in the newspaper, alright? So there is a collision between two trains on the same line. Now this technology will be really helpful to bring a train's movement to a halt automatically when it notices that On the same line, there is another train in the prescribed distance, so that you will be stopping the accident, and you are saving the property, and you are saving the lives of the people. Train will also stop on their own when the digital system notices any manual error. This is the most beautiful thing. That is the reason why one accident, one error may occur in 10,000 years. Look at this. In this budget for 22 and 23, 1.4 lakh crores have been earmarked for railways. Kindly remember, earlier we had two budgets. One is the railway budget, second one is the general budget. But starting from the year 2017, railway budget has been merged into general budget. Clear? Look at this. As a part of Atmanirbhar Bharat, 2000 kilometers of a rail network will be brought under the indigenous world-class technology called KAVACH. Very, very, very important. Please remember every point, and I would like to show you some more points here. Please have a look at this. When it comes to this KAVACH, this is SIL 4 certified, SIL 4 certified, which means there is the probability of a single error in 10,000 years. Please remember, KAVACH is SIL 4 certified. What is SIL? It stands for Safety Integrity Levels. And there are 4 SILs that are defined. SIL 4 is most dependable and SIL 1 is the least. Right? Very, very, very important one. Please remember this. Meaning for everything there is a standard. Look at this. And who provide this certificate? This certificate is provided by, look at this, International Electrotechnical Commission. Please remember, this is IEC that is providing this SIL certificate. This International Electrochemical Commission is located in Geneva, Switzerland. Please remember this one. Is that okay? It defines SIL using the requirements grouped into 2 broad categories: hardware safety integrity and systematic safety integrity. A device or a system must meet the requirements of both categories to achieve a given SIL. Right? Very carefully, this particular certificate is given by IEC. Very important one. So you have KAVACH. KAVACH has got SIL 4 certificate, and SIL 4 certificate is given by IEC, and IEC is located in Geneva. Look at this. IEC is an international standard organization that prepares and publishes international standards for all electrical, electronic and related technologies, which is collectively called electrotechnology. Very, very, very important. I want you to remember each and every point. And last but not the least, where is this IEC located? It is located in Geneva, that is in Switzerland. Fine. So please remember each and every point. So this is regarding KAVACH. The questions will be asked in the examination like this. KAVACH and which are there in the current news, and we need to update ourselves from the newspapers and the various magazines and news channels from time to time. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next session.